Hello, and welcome to 7 Minutes English, the show that helps you learn real English in just 7 minutes. I'm Alex.
And I'm Nina. Hello. Alex, what's the last song you listened to today?
Oh, I had a song playing in my kitchen this morning, and now I can't stop singing it.
That happens to everyone. And that's our topic today, music. Why do we love it so much? And why does it have such power over our feelings?
A wonderful question. And along the way, we'll teach you 6 useful words and phrases to talk about music.
But first, as always, I have a question for you, Alex. Some music is so powerful, it gives people goosebumps. But how many people actually get goosebumps from music?
Interesting.
Is it A, about 1 in 4 people, B, about 1 in 2 people, or C, almost everyone?
I'll guess almost everyone?
Okay, I'll tell you the answer at the end of the program. Keep listening.
So, Nina, why does music affect us so much?
Well, one big reason is that music can change our mood.
Mood. Let's explain that. Your mood is the way you feel at a certain time. I'm in a good mood today. Sad music can put us in a sad mood, and happy music can lift our mood.
Exactly. And some songs are so catchy that we just can't forget them.
Catchy. If a song is catchy, it's easy to remember, and you want to sing it again and again. What a catchy tune.
And when a catchy song won't leave your mind, we say it gets stuck in your head.
Get stuck in your head. That's a great phrase. When a song gets stuck in your head, you keep hearing it in your mind again and again. Some people call this an earworm.
An earworm. What a word! Now, another important part of a song is the lyrics.
Lyrics. The lyrics are the words of a song. I love this song, but I don't understand the lyrics. Good lyrics can tell a whole story.
They really can. And sometimes a song is so beautiful that it gives you goosebumps.
Goosebumps. There's our quiz word. Goosebumps are the small bumps that appear on your skin when you feel a strong emotion. That song gave me goosebumps.
For me, it's often the beat that makes me want to move.
The beat. The beat is the regular rhythm of a song, the part you can tap your foot to or dance to. This song has a great beat.
So music can change our mood, get stuck in our head, and even give us goosebumps. No wonder we love it so much.
It really is powerful. Scientists say music can even help us remember things and feel less pain. It's like medicine for the mind.
Now, the answer to my question. I asked how many people get goosebumps from music. Alex, you said almost everyone.
I did?
But the answer is B, about 1 in 2 people. Research suggests around half of us get goosebumps or chills from music.
Only half? I'm definitely in that half.
Me too. If music gives you goosebumps, you're feeling a very real, powerful emotion.
Let's recap today's 6 words and phrases. First, mood. The way you feel at a certain time. Catchy. Easy to remember and fun to sing.
Get stuck in your head. When you can't stop hearing a song in your mind.
Lyrics. The words of a song.
Goosebumps. The small bumps on your skin when you feel a strong emotion.
And the beat. The regular rhythm of a song. And that's all for today. What song is stuck in your head right now?
Tell us in the comments and keep listening to English music to practice. See you next time on 7 Minutes English.
Bye!
Simple English Daily. Hey! Learn smile, come and stay.